My dear friends, welcome back to Be Spice. This is Rambala with you. In this session, we'll talk about analyzer, mastering analyzer, wherein the focus is more on conductivity data sheet. Okay. So prior to this, we have uploaded, in fact, three videos. One is on the pH design and principle, then the data sheet, and yeah, the last one on the conductivity design and measurement principle. So yeah, if you have time, you can spare, okay, and watch. So the agenda for this conductivity data sheet, as usual, will go with general process condition, characteristics, sampling, sensor, transmitter, and accessories. Okay. So under this general, as usual, the tag number, service, all these, we need to refer the P and ID and insert it, right? Okay. Then also the line number, refer the P and ID, and of course the P and ID number. Then we have function, which is conductivity, mounting, whether it's a 2-inch pipe or whatever your choice, based on your choice. And area classification, if applicable. We need to refer the hazardous area classification from processor electrical and input. In my case, it is a safe area. Okay. Okay. So process condition, we need to get the fluid rate, design pressure, operating pressure, design temperature, operating temperature from the process colleagues. So as simple as that. And of course, the fluid conductivity, all these. Then we have the characteristics, very important term. See, accuracy, friends. This is including linearity and hysteresis, plus or minus 10%. Okay. Then stability, plus or minus 0.25%. Then response time, 3 seconds, 100% of final reading, 3 seconds. Sensitivity, plus or minus 0.25% of the reading. Repeatability, plus or minus 5 microsiemens per centimeter. Okay. Then we have characteristics, yeah, resolution, 3 decimal places. Temperature coefficient, 0.0 to 5% per degree centigrade. Then calibration frequency once in 180 days. That's 6 months. Okay, then sampling, sample temperature 0 to 105 degrees centigrade, then sample pressure 0 to 250 psig, sample flow rate, flow cell wetted material polycarbonate, sample connection size quarter inch. Friends, some of these, the sampling temperature, pressure, all, I just put it an example actually, okay? But yeah, but characteristics, yeah, of course, it will be, you can use it, make use of it actually. It's almost like a standard, typical standard. But the sample temperature, then all these, you have to refer your process requirement. Okay. So then we have this, sample connection size, quarter inch, and drain connection also quarter inch. Okay. Then we have a sensor, very important. Sensor type, whether insertion or submersion. Combination sensor here, it's not applicable. This is applicable for pH. Yeah, you have a reference and, what do you call, measurement electrode, right? So it was combined there. So you can have that option. Process connection size, 3-inch N, male NPT. Then measuring electrode here not applicable. This is applicable for pH. Reference also applicable for pH. Sensor integral cable 20 feet. Okay. Sensor preamplifier, of course, it is not applicable here. Junction box for preamplifier also not applicable. Cell constant is very important. Yeah, 3 per centimeter. Then you have a protection class IP65 as a minimum. Then temperature compensation auto, temperature compensation range 0 to 105 degrees centigrade. Okay. Then few more. Pressure compensation, no. Pressure rating 295 psig. Electrode housing 316SS, sensor cable connector not applicable here. Then you have this temperature electrode PT100, sensor length 124.5 millimeter. Okay, temperature rating 0 to 120 degrees centigrade. Okay, wherever the process comes into picture, you have to refer your process team. Okay, so that's it. Remaining all standard, friends. Remaining you can make use of it. Then transmitter, very, very important. Okay, mounting, of course, 2-inch or panel mounting. Location, indoor or outdoor, based on your choice. Housing material, polycarbonate. Protection class IP65 minimum. Power supply, 230 volt AC, 50 hertz. Dimension, It basically depends on your, vendor. I just put it as 155, 55, 155 by 131 mm. Then weight actually 2 kg. Cable gland, yes. Hazardous area, safe area. Electrical connection, orphanage and PT. Self-diagnostic feature is there, yes. Zero span adjustment needed, yes. So yeah, type 4 wire microprocessor based, okay. Yeah, again, this is also, in my case, I use 4 wire. If your case, maybe, yeah, you have to check, okay. So if you see in our, this one, the power supply 230, right? It's externally powered, so that's why at 4 wire, okay. So number of signal inputs 1 and analog output 240 milliamps isolated, number of relays 4, and alarm contact form C, single pole double throw. You may have a question on this, right? Form C. So this is a form C, friends. You can see here, this is a non-energized, here energized condition. You can see here, yeah. Form A is like that, form B is like that, form C. Form C is like this actually. So this is a non-energized condition and energized condition is this one. Okay, form C, just for example. And of course, the electrical connection M20. Then contact rating 5 amps, 3 amps and display type LCD, display unit micro Siemens per centimeter, indication digital, load impedance 550 ohms, explosion protection is not applicable here. Then accessories buffer solution, conductivity standard basically. Then mounting bracket not applicable because it's a stanchion mounting. Yeah, okay. Then we have this SS tag plate, yes. Cable gland type, yeah, single compression. Cable gland material, either SS or brass or PVC. Okay, depends on your projector. So that's it, friends. I think conductivity also we are done. So next we will focus on ORP. Okay, ORP analyzer. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.